Hey guys, Bridget here of Rooted Sky Homestead, and we are doing a spring upgrade. I'm sure you've seen the ever popular cattle guard trellises. Well, here's the unloading. This is phase one of a multi-phase project, and they are incredibly large and heavy, and my son is a really good bodybuilder, so he was willing to help get this project underway. Please watch your face. Okay, here we go. Whee! All right. Thank you. So as you can see, we have the beds here, and they're measured. And then the cattle guards are going to go in between to create the trellises. More to come. Bridget here from Rooted Sky Homestead, and we are putting the finishing touches on these trellis arches for the beans and the peas. That's my son. I didn't get his consent to be on video, so hold on. Alright, we're back. So I didn't bore you with all of the details with anchoring in the post. I tried doing it with a sledgehammer, and then I actually did go and buy a T-post driver, they're called. Well worth the $35 investment. And now we're just securing them with these handy dandy T-post clips and this makeshift tool of metal that I have no idea where it came from or what it's for, but it's doing the job of us getting the clamps around the post. So not too bad for a nice spring morning, and yeah, we're gonna do the next 4 and get the other arch up.